Dear parents, your children are not an object through which you are going to fulfill your unfulfilled desires, hopes, wish. They are not your slaves. They are not, you don't own them. They are the children of God. If you don't believe in God, they are the children of whatever higher power created them. So remember that if anything you are a custodian who is responsible to ensure that when they are going out into the world, they are prepared, able to be in the world like a decent human being. Rest of the things comes really easy. Success, it comes really easy. Once you know how to handle life, you can handle anything. You can attain anything. So first, your job is to ensure that they become good human being and stop pushing them to pursue something they don't want to pursue. Most important thing is to ensure that failing is normal. Wandering aimlessly without knowing what they want, it is normal. Normalize it. How the hell they are supposed to know what they want at the age of 14, 15 or 16? Are they even aware of their own individuality? For a lot of people, it takes their entire life to be aware of that. They walk through the life without knowing what they want it to be. So stop doing that. Not every child wants to be an engineer, doctor, or architect, or a UPSC IS officer. Now, sometimes some children just want to be, or give them enough skill, give them a framework through which, when they come across anything, they know, they are able to understand it, they are able to do it, and through that they will figure out what they really want. How the hell they are supposed to want something if they haven't tried multiple things? It's not that some children just wake up, they are born and they know that they want to be an IITian. Life is hard enough. There is enough pressure put on by society. So stop doing that. When they come to home, you should let them know that whatever happens, they are free to pursue whatever they want. They are free to do whatever they want, so that they are not pushed to a level to pursue something that if they don't, they are forced to take their own lives. So remember, you don't own them. You are nothing more than a custodian who is responsible to ensure they are raised well, they are raised like a good human being, and they have the skills so they can survive. They will figure it out. Don't worry. At the end of the day, just remember, you can control them to up to a certain limit. Once they are above 18, 19, they are out in their world, they are going to do whatever it is they want to do, and at that point they won't even care what you wanted them to do. So at least prepare them for that, so that when they go out in the world and they are on their own, they want to do the things that they want to do, they have enough skill so they can pursue that, so they are not left stranded. Dear teachers, not every child have an understanding parents, not because their parents are cruel or mean or they are dictators. No, some parents, they just don't know how to be a good parent because they were raised the same way. So it is, and you see those children for 5 to 6 hours for the better part of their life, for the most important part of their life in the development phase. So the most important job is you have is not to teach them. It is to be that understanding adult who talk to them, who understand them, who try to learn what it is they are interested in doing, what it is they are interested in learning, what really make them tick. So that's your main most important job. Second, nobody can teach anybody anything. So your most important job is to ensure that they are open minded. Third, if somebody does not know why they are learning something, then no matter what, how much interested book is, no matter how much interesting science or mathematics or geography, social study, whatever the subject are, they are not going to learn them. For them, this is nothing but a book full of pages in which there are thousands of useless words. So let them know why are they learning whatever they are learning, why it is important. Tell them the story, why that was there, how education is going to play an important role in their life, how it has done for millions of people before, what impact it is going to make in the society. So help them learn about the bigger picture. It is your job. Sometimes it is too late before when they walk into the world. So I hope you understand that, and I'm not going to be too harsh to you. You guys have done, for better or worse, a really good job. To the parents as well, I know you don't want to be mean and you feel the pain when you lose a child, but don't create that circumstances, okay? Just be understanding, the least thing that you can be. And to the society, life is hard enough. They are gonna kick the children around, they're gonna pull them up, throw them down. A lot of children, they look up to you, the individuals in the society. Secretly, they might even not tell you that they look up to you, but they look up to you. So be responsible, act like an adult, be accountable, so that the children who are secretly watching you, they are watching something good. And if you are giving them anything, don't give them money or give them a good advice. That's far more important than any amount of money in the world. I have a lot to say, but I think it's enough for now. Take care. God bless.